In this lesson, we'll break down the carbon cycle, one of Earth's most important biogeochemical processes. We'll explore how carbon moves through the atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and geosphere, and how human activities are impacting this delicate balance. So, to understand this cycle, we first need to recognize that carbon is fundamental to life, cycling through four main reservoirs on Earth. These are the atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and geosphere, each playing a crucial role in the planet's systems. These interconnected systems constantly exchange carbon, forming a vital global network that sustains all life on our planet. Building on that, the journey of carbon often begins in the atmosphere, a vast reservoir of gases that surrounds our planet. Here, carbon primarily exists as carbon dioxide, or CO2, in its gaseous form. This carbon dioxide is a key starting point for many natural processes, ready to be utilized and transformed. Now that we know where atmospheric carbon resides, our journey begins with carbon dioxide floating freely in the air. One of Earth's most vital processes, photosynthesis, starts when plants absorb this carbon dioxide through their leaves, drawing it in from the atmosphere. They harness the energy from sunlight, using it as the primary fuel to convert the absorbed carbon dioxide into something essential for life. This conversion process creates glucose, a sugar molecule that serves as the plant's stored energy and building block for growth. As a beneficial byproduct, plants release oxygen back into the atmosphere, which is absolutely vital for many other life forms to breathe. This is how carbon first enters the biosphere, initiating its active biological journey and becoming a fundamental part of living organisms. This entire sequence illustrates how photosynthesis acts as the crucial gateway for carbon into the Earth's biological systems, underpinning life itself. The journey of carbon often begins with plants, which actively absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, drawing it in to begin a vital transformation. This incredible process, known as photosynthesis, is entirely powered by the abundant energy from sunlight, acting as the catalyst for life on Earth. Through photosynthesis, the plant remarkably converts that inorganic carbon dioxide into organic glucose, which is essentially a form of stored chemical energy. This glucose provides the vital energy that fuels the plant's growth and life, effectively storing carbon directly within the plant's structure for long periods. This entire process highlights how plants are crucial in capturing atmospheric carbon and converting it into a usable form of energy for life, forming the base of many ecosystems. Beyond creating energy and storing carbon, photosynthesis begins with plants drawing in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This vital process is powered by sunlight, which provides the necessary energy to transform these simple molecules. Inside the plant, carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose, which is a crucial form of stored energy for the plant itself. Crucially, as a byproduct of this energy creation, plants release oxygen back into the atmosphere. This continuous replenishment of oxygen is fundamental to maintaining Earth's breathable air, supporting all aerobic life. Therefore, photosynthesis not only stores carbon and creates energy, but also provides the very air we breathe, highlighting its profound dual benefits for the planet. This journey illustrates how photosynthesis performs the dual role of managing carbon and sustaining life through oxygen production. So, after its capture and conversion, the biosphere, encompassing all living organisms, plays a critical role in the carbon cycle by storing carbon in these organic forms. Photosynthesis acts as the primary gateway for atmospheric carbon into this massive reservoir. Carbon's journey doesn't end in the atmosphere or biosphere. It also moves into Earth's other vast reservoirs. Let's first explore the hydrosphere, primarily its oceans. Oceans are massive carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere. This carbon dissolves into the water, where it can remain for extended periods. Beyond the water, the geosphere also holds vast quantities of carbon within rocks and deep underground in fossil fuel deposits. These geological formations and ancient organic matter lock carbon away for millennia, representing the Earth's most significant long-term carbon storage. However, despite the natural balance of carbon's movement through these spheres, human activities are now significantly impacting this delicate system. Our actions are altering the natural flow of carbon, pushing the cycle out of its historical equilibrium. Given this human impact, understanding how our activities disrupt the carbon cycle is crucial for our planet's future. These alterations can lead to significant and long-lasting changes in our climate, such as rising global temperatures and more extreme weather events. Beyond climate, ecosystems are profoundly affected, threatening biodiversity and natural habitats across the globe. Therefore, grasping these mechanisms is vital for developing effective strategies to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for all life. Ultimately, the carbon cycle is a fundamental biogeochemical process, essential for all life on Earth. By understanding how carbon moves through Earth's spheres and the profound impact of human activities, we can better protect our planet's delicate balance and ensure a sustainable future.